Hey guys, I'm Tasha and you're watching Customized Close-Up. I'm gonna be showing you some items that all members can choose from this season to put into your summer box, and trust me, you guys, you are going to want this box. So if you're not a member, make sure that you go to FabFitFun.com right now, become a member, get these items delivered straight to your door. Hopefully by a hot FedEx man, you know? Make sure that you guys are giving this video a thumbs up, you're commenting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, because that way you're gonna see all of the spoilers for your summer box and all of the boxes beyond that. Let's get started with the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. This is maybe the cutest tote that I have ever seen, and you are totally gonna love it. It's got a navy geometric pattern. I'm also obsessed with these rope handles. They're also really, really durable. Like seriously, put me on a yacht with this baby. Is it too much to ask for a boyfriend with a yacht? And the best part is that it is nice and big. You can just fit so much in it. It's 19 inches by 14 inches. So like seriously hefty bag right there. You also have on the inside, it's got this pocket right here so you can put all of your smaller items. I have my AirPods and all of my money, which is $1 because I just bought AirPods, so that is all that I have left. Moving on, we have the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It has 24 karat gold in it. Like literally 24 karat magic in that. Can you auto-tune me? And it literally is 24 karat magic because it is illuminating. It's gonna bring up that glow that we all want, like, hey Tasha, we need some light over here. Come shine your face. It's a hydrogel mask, so it's going to enhance the absorption of moisture into your skin to create a protective barrier. Comes in a whole set of 5, so you can kind of spread it out. I wanna make sure that I don't waste a single drop of it. So what I do is I put on the mask, and then all of the leftover serum that's in this pouch, I'm gonna pour it into my palm, and then I'm just gonna press it all over my neck and my décolletage because I don't wanna waste one single drop. All right, next up in this category, we have the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, and these are hands down my favorite home item that we have ever had in the FabFitFun box. And I've been working here for 7.5 years, so I have seen it all. These are everything. You know you're an adult when you're like, oh my God, these bowls are everything. Each of these bowls is ceramic. It comes in a set of 3. They're also dishwasher and microwave safe, so don't have to worry about ruining them, which I can pretty much ruin anything. They each have a different little pattern on there, but they are so adorable. I am 100% picking this as the customization for my summer box. What's cool about them also is that when you're storing them, they are nesting bowls, so they just fit right into one another, just like so. Personally, I'm gonna use them for all of the dips. I'm gonna have hummus in here, jalapeno hummus in there, and olive hummus in there, okay? Speaking of hosting, another item that is a great addition to any party is the XO Sienna letterboard. Don't mind if I do. Back to business. So the best thing about the XO Sienna letterboard is that you can change it up whenever you want to. You could have a quote of the day. You could change it every single day. You can also use it at your dinner parties as like a menu. You can put signature cocktails on there. You can put a joke of the day. Pretty much I would just write my life. It's really easy to use. You just have a little pouch full of all of your letters, and there's also numbers and even cute little symbols. This one is a cherry. The brand XO Sienna is actually named after our co-founder Katie's youngest daughter. It's made of premium black felt and all-natural pine wood frame. If you choose this board for your summer box, make sure that you post on Instagram and tag us so that we can see what you're writing on there, how you're using the board. We think it is so adorable and cute, and we want to see what you guys are doing. So those are all of the items in this customization category. This is a really, really tough choice. I want you guys to comment and tell me what you're picking. Customization closes on Wednesday, May 15th. So make sure that you guys are going to fabfitfun.com/customize and picking your favorite or favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Tasha. Make sure you guys tune in next season and have a great summer.